What's up, guys? We're here at the round 2 of the Pro Downhill Series with Tyler Ervin in front of me. We got some rain, and yeah, this is our last lap of practice. Let's get it. You. First bit, as you can see, is pretty slick right now. Gonna take it easy through here. Oh, almost slid out right there, but that's okay. See how slippery these rocks are? That braking right there is pretty slick. And then into the Asylum Rock Garden. Right now it's pretty slippery. See how it's gonna go. Tyler definitely pulled on me there a bit. Oh! That's so slippery right there. And then hold the high line in the wet. Nice big step up out here in the open. And then slow down. Trying to get the high line. Had a huge slide there, but we're having fun. The course is so good right now in the wet. Whoop section right here, and then back in. Here's like the classic little drop in the open. Honestly, such a sketchy one every single time. And then into the lowest tree bit. Nice, Tyler. Oh, he's ripping. He's ripping. Oh! Dude, we're getting loose out here. Sick. And then, yeah, the last few grass corners, you can kind of go outside of this one. And then these are slick right now. Yeah! Woo!